Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I show how to fix unglued time markers. Also, minute hand is detached and I need to put it back. This is a Fossil model ME1036 and it's the twist line which has two parts inside of the watch. One part is mechanical automatic movement that designed to drive second hand only, and another part is regular quartz movement to show the time. And second hand is presented by this wheel, which is kind of nice feature of this watch. Okay, so I will very thorough disassemble this watch, and I will remove the spring bar, and I need to unscrew this case back. I moved it slightly so I can continue without that tool. And this is the oscillating weight, part of the automatic movement. Also, I will show how to replace battery. Battery is here, but we will do it after fixing the main problem. This is the movement holder, and there is some small hole where I should press to remove stem, and usually there is some pointer arrow here, so I press here and stem coming out. This is the stem, and now I can remove movement from the case. And after I remove the movement from the case, I noticed that there is something wrong with movement attachment to the dial. There is some loose contact between movement and dial, and I can see some patch there. Somebody put it before myself, and I think one dial foot is broken, and I need to fix this by installing another foot. And this is the first time I will do this task. I never did it before, but I saw the video on watch repair channel. The owner of that channel is Mark Lovick, and it shows several methods of replacing dial foot, and I will try today myself one of those methods, which is using adhesive to attach the dial foot. I will remove hands, and now I will put it on the bed. I will disengage this dial foot. Okay, and now I can lift the movement. And so here is dial, and I can see one foot is here and another foot is broken. It doesn't exist, and it should be at this point. I just bought the set of the dial fit, and there are different sizes, different diameters. I will choose one matching the diameter of this foot, and I will glue it here. This is what I will use. I will need to remove second plastic layer also. Now I need to make some recess here to accommodate the dial foot, so it will be evenly located with the dial surface. So this is the central point for the dial foot, and I will make some cross line to see the central. After I will make this preparation, I need to see where is the center, and because I will drill over here, I will lose this point, but these two lines will show me where it is. So here is the bit what I made from regular bit, and I flattened this end, made it flat, and then cut it on the angle, so it became shaped like this. And I made this preparation for the dial foot. Now let's check how it will go here. Looks like it fits well, and I can glue it here. So to glue this dial foot, I will use this adhesive, and I need to make mix of this. A little bit black. I'll put some plastic here. A little bit black, a little bit white. I need much less than I have here, but it just came out. I need one small drop. One small drop. And dial foot. And I will leave it to dry. And it looks like it's very good on surface. So it's dried out completely, and I can lift by this or this dial foot. Okay, and now we need to try the movement itself. So looks like it fits very well, and I can finish the movement attachment by using these two screws on both sides. Yeah, worked very well. And now we can go back to original task, because in the beginning we just found out that we need to put back 3 time markers, and our hand was in place, the minute hand was detached, so that was only what we needed to do. But I found out another problem, much bigger, broken dial foot. So now we fixed it, and I can glue time markers, and I use this nice G-S hypo cement, and I will put a little bit of this glue in this place, here, here, and here. Yeah, we need to put back 3 time markers, and this is one. And I will press using this stick, and I will put another marker. And stick again. And third one. That was easy. And now I will put back second hand. Our hand first. Using this tool. And minute hand. Now I can insert movement into the case. And we can now insert the stem, and we can change battery. So battery should be taken out from this place. This is new one. It should go under this angle first, and then I'll press it here, and I want to put movement holder just to keep this in place. And now we can see if minute hand will move. Yeah, so it's moving, and I will use this oscillating weight to manually give some power to mainspring so mechanical part could work. And we can see that second hand is moving. Everything works now. And this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like video, please subscribe and give me likes. And I will see you next time. Bye bye now.